patio is more than just a functional extension of a home. It's a work of art because it represents a deliberate act of creative expression. Like a painter using a canvas, a designer utilizes the open space as a blank slate, carefully selecting materials like pavers, stone, or wood to create texture, pattern, and flow.
By thoughtfully blending hardscape with natural elements and considering the interplay of light and shadow throughout the day, a patio becomes a unique, living composition that reflects personal style and enhances the overall beauty of its surroundings.
At All Pro Construction and Restoration, we create hardscaping works of art every day. Our team carefully crafts the kind of outdoor living space that you will enjoy for years, like this incredible circular patio. Now that's a work of art.
All Pro Construction and Restoration, serving Sussex County, Delaware for years. Don't you think your backyard deserves an All Pro?